Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Nest English, the place where English becomes simple, natural, and part of your real life. Today's episode is extremely important for every English learner because we are going to talk about something that stops most people from speaking English fluently: grammar fear. Many learners think that before speaking English, they must first master grammar perfectly. But today, we are going to break that mindset and show you how real fluency actually works in daily life.
And this is one of the biggest problems in the world of English learning. Students spend years studying grammar rules, memorizing tenses, and learning charts, but when it comes to speaking, they still feel stuck. They know the rules in their mind, but they cannot speak naturally. The reason is simple. Speaking is not built by rules. Speaking is built by practice, repetition, and real communication.
Let's understand something very important. When a child learns his first language, he does not study grammar books. He does not learn rules like present tense or past tense. He simply listens, repeats, and starts speaking slowly. This is the natural way of learning any language. English is no different. The problem starts when we try to learn English like a school subject instead of a living language.
Yes, Emily, and this is where learners get trapped. They think every sentence must be grammatically perfect before they speak, so they stop, think too much, and hesitate. But fluency is not about perfection. Fluency is about flow. If your message is clear, even with small mistakes, you are already communicating successfully.
Now let's talk about something practical. Instead of thinking about grammar rules, you should start thinking in simple sentences. For example, don't overthink how to form a perfect structure. Just say what you are doing in the simplest way possible. I go to work. I eat food. I am tired. I am happy. These sentences are enough to start speaking.
Yes, and the most powerful habit is speaking in real time. When you are doing something, describe it immediately in English. If you are walking, say I am walking. If you are eating, say I am eating. If you are studying, say I am studying. This removes grammar pressure because you are not planning sentences, you are reacting naturally.
Another important point is that mistakes are not your enemy. In fact, mistakes are part of the learning process. Every fluent speaker has made thousands of mistakes before becoming confident. The difference is they did not stop speaking. They continued even when they were wrong, and slowly they improved.
Yes, Emily, and I want to make this very clear. Grammar should support your speaking, not stop your speaking. You can learn grammar slowly over time, but your speaking should start immediately. If you wait for perfect grammar, you will wait forever. But if you start speaking now, your grammar will automatically improve with experience.
Let's imagine a simple situation. A learner wants to talk about his day. Instead of worrying about tense rules, he just says, I wake up early. I go to work. I meet my friends. I come home. These are not perfect textbook sentences, but they are real communication. And real communication is the goal.
Exactly, Emily. And over time, something interesting happens. When you speak more, your brain starts recognizing patterns. You don't need to think about grammar rules consciously. You start feeling what sounds correct. This is called natural fluency development.
One of the biggest changes learners experience when they stop fearing grammar is confidence. Suddenly, speaking becomes easier. You are no longer afraid of being judged. You are focused on expressing your thoughts instead of building perfect sentences.
Yes, and confidence is everything in English speaking. Once you are confident, even simple English sounds powerful. But without confidence, even perfect grammar feels useless because you cannot speak freely.
Now, let's talk about a simple method you can use starting today. First, stop translating in your mind. Second, start using simple daily sentences. Third, speak out loud every day, even for a few minutes. And fourth, accept mistakes as part of learning.
Yes, Emily. And I want to add one more thing. Listen to simple English content daily, not for grammar, but for flow. Listen to how people speak naturally. This will train your brain to think in English patterns instead of grammar rules.
So, the final message of today's episode is very simple: grammar is not the enemy. Fear of grammar is the enemy. You do not need perfect grammar to start speaking English. You just need courage to start.
Yes, and remember this always. Fluency comes from speaking, not from studying only. If you speak every day, even with mistakes, you will improve. But if you only study and never speak, you will stay stuck.
Thank you so much for listening to Fluent Nest English. We hope this episode helped you feel more confident and less afraid of grammar.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't wait for perfect English. Start now, and fluency will follow you.